Alright guys, sorry it's been a few days. I've been working on the house heavily. This is what I've been doing. Trusses are going up. Yay! Roof! We'll have a roof soon enough. I'm pretty high up. Pretty high up. Super room upstairs. Look at that. That side's sheeted. Okay, so that's what I've been doing. Also, my eye, it's much better now. But I got something in it, metal, wood, I don't know. I cannot see yesterday out of any of the eye because it was water, making my eyes water so bad that I could not function. So I woke up this morning, it finally got out of my eye, and now I can do stuff. Okay, so hopefully it doesn't get too loud with the rain. If it does, I apologize. It's starting to pick up. So I want to get the intake manifold off of the car as fast as I can. So I'm going to try to do a few things inside for the next couple days. Okay, so some things I want to get done while it's crappy and I can't really work on the house and I can't work outside because, as you saw, my garage flew away. I need to do the fuel pump. I got some special stuff. Burton Racing, shout out to Robert and them over at Burton Racing. They are awesome. They got some awesome product I'm excited to use. They have their true 12 gauge higher output, increase your fuel pump, stock fuel pump, 15% fuel increase. So I'm going to try it with a Walboro 255 in tank, and then Burton Racing also hooking us up Honda S300 V3. He's hooked me up with the whole ECU, installing the chip, getting it all ready, everything, and sending me out complete unit ready to go, plug and play into the system. And then I have my OBD2A to OBD1 jumper harness, so I can plug it right in and we can run the car on a base turbo map until we can get a tuner or somebody, or street tune it, or I don't know. I don't know how to tune. It'd be cool to learn, become the next Brent of PFI Speed, which would never happen because he's amazing. But he's definitely an idol and someone awesome and humble that I'd like to be like. So I got a lot of cool stuff coming, so I can install that while it's raining. I know it's going to be annoying. My last video, I installed the radio for a reason, for all the gauges. I'm going to be working on that, making a template out of cardboard, cutting it out of the S2000 rec door. So I'm going to have an S2000 cluster, sheet metal cluster. It's going to be awesome. Might as well use the scraps that I got, so I'll trace it, cut it out, and sand it down. Also, I have a 70mm throttle body that's going on, and I want to port match that, and then the intake with my ceramic intake manifold gasket. So I have a lot of good things that'll be very productive. I'm expecting my dual valve springs and retainers any day, so I can redo the head. I can do my valve stem seals, get the dual stuff in, get all that set up and cleaned. So then the head will be ready to go. I'm sticking with stock cams. I will have an adjustable cam gear on it for now. Just running out of time and I couldn't get them out to Delta cams. Even though I want to send them out still. I have my B series, B16, VTEX I want to send them. And I'll probably do a B20 turbo setup. Get both of them turbo ground. I don't know any of the specs or what you need to do, but that's the goal. So today I'm going to hurry up, run outside because I'm running out of time. Take the intake manifold off. I already took out the cruise control, which you didn't see. You kind of half saw. I disconnected it from the pedal, which is really easy, and pulled that out. And I think the hardest thing will be the clutch. Just getting out the axles and disconnecting the drive shafts and pulling the transmission out so I can put the new clutch, stage 5 clutch, unsprung setup that I got. XTD for life! So we're going to see how the stage 5 eBay clutch will hold up to the turbo. So if you don't want to miss this stuff, make sure you like and subscribe, because that's what's coming up for the next couple weeks. Especially when it's raining and I can't work in the house, I try to work heavily on this stuff, because I do have a life outside of YouTube and building a house and my other jobs and my online jobs and all my other stuff I do. Plus my kids and my wife, and there's a lot of things that take my attention. But we're going to work, get this done, because we have 3 weeks. We have 3 weeks, basically. I wanted to have it running hopefully in 2, so I have a week to make sure it's not going to blow up on me. If I don't, it's going to be done the day before I leave. Then I'm going to pull it out there with old Blue and my single axle trailer, 1,800 miles, and we're going to send it. We're going to start it up and hopefully it'll drive. So that's what you don't want to miss. On taking off the manifold, put the hood back on for rain coverage, and hopefully I can get the manifold off without too much problem, but you never know. You never know. I wanna see the light. Whoops. Starts to happen way too often. So that bypass hose is the hose that cost me the most problem. That's the one that messed up right there when I was driving it home. It blew off under pressure because I think the head gasket's bad on this motor. So I don't know. Let me reset this and go hit some more. So someone has definitely taken this manifold off, because this bolt for the support bracket was not put back in. The support brackets on the back of the block for the manifold and the support hold up things, they are not in. So it's actually kind of nice. It makes it easier for me not have to get in there and try to get it all apart. But one nice thing about the CRV, there is so much stinking room back there to get to the brackets and to get to everything. Compared to the EF free, this is awesome, having this much space than the EF chassis, ED chassis. So well done, Honda. Hey, you see that? I need that PFI speed 4-bar. That's what I need. 4-bar, 4-banger. Okay, sorry, my wife called. In the process of doing that, I've been taking off this 10 millimeters here on the fuel rail because more rain's coming. Hate the rain. Who said extendable flex heads aren't amazing? I think they all should just pop out now. I got everything disconnected. Oh, maybe something else is connected. Nope. Okay guys, I pulled these out. Let me show you these. Please focus. Holy smokes. They're like disintegrated. I bet they've never been changed, and this has 302,000 miles on it. They are in bad shape. Man. Upgrading. Upgrading. Fuel rail. Okay, we are much closer to getting this off. Let's hurry up and get this done. Hot dang! Look how easy it is to get to them. I like this. I don't know about underneath. Hopefully it's not too crazy with some extensions. But nice. Let's get it done. Let's get this intake off. If you can hear the raindrops on the roof, or not the roof, I guess the hood, it's starting to pick up rain, as you can see, but we are victorious. So it definitely had a manifold gasket leak right down here on this port where they all do, where the water jackets and stuff are. Like, this is all messed up. So it's definitely losing coolant through the intake right there. You can see where it's all wet around the intake. This bracket needs to go because it's super annoying and it's in the way. Because I have fittings that go down here for breathers. And yeah. And I need this out of the way so I can run my A-end fittings and have all the awesome stuff for a catch can. To minimize the blow-by. Hey, you see that? You see that? You see that? Yeah, that right there? That means it's all-wheel drive. Alright guys, we are victorious. The rain's coming, so I'm going to clean up some tools and work on getting back inside of the old shed and get all my electrical stuff out of the rain and cover it back up so that it doesn't get rained in. Yay! We did something! Well, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. Shout out to Youngstatic. He said I could get the shirts dirty when I work. That just means we're really building to drive. So, one cool thing about the Honda YouTube challenge that's going on is me meeting these guys and chatting with them more and getting to know them. And there's a lot of cool dudes in the challenge. Make sure you come out February 23rd, Gulfport, Mississippi. Hit us up, come hang out. I think we're going to do a little meet that Friday before the show on Saturday. So you can hopefully see all the cars, come hang out with everybody, and get to talk with, you know, the cool guys. Sptuning, Youngstatic, you know, those kind of guys. Yost build, AutoSauce, Froman, SethChurchVid, all these cool guys. HondaVlogs, who comes out and helps cover the show. So many cool people coming, so don't miss it. There's going to be a lot more to come, so make sure you like and subscribe. Like I said, we got 3-ish or so weeks to get everything in order, make sure it's all running and driving, and there's a lot going on between that and the house. So it's like I said, it's raining. It's going to be a muck hole for the next couple days. I won't be able to work on the house as much, so hopefully I can work on the car more. Alright guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment below what you like most about this, or if you've done this yourself. Till next time.